What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. For this DIY box braid tutorial, I am going to be using the rubber band method to create this flawless braids, and I'm going to be telling you guys all about the braiding hair that I used and all the items I used to achieve this beautiful look. But first, if you're new or you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you guys waiting for? Just click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notification so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. See? It's easy.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was.
So guys, these are the items I used to complete this look. A wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, a picking comb, eco styling gel, Creme of Nature argan oil styling mousse, Dr. Miracle's edge holding gel, Garnier hair food for conditioning and moisture. Then I used 8 packs of EZ Braiding Hair by LEEVEN. The hair came with a crochet pin and some hair accessories. So this is what the hair looks like out of the pack. It's already pre-stretched, which is one thing that I love about this hair, and it's 26 inches long, and this is in the color 1B silver. And last but not the least, you'll need some rubber bands. I am just pouring baby oil into the rubber band. This will help to prevent the rubber band from pulling on your hair to create breakage. So now that we've got all of this out of the way, it is actually time to braid the hair. This is super easy, and I'm going to break down this tutorial into steps so that it is beginners friendly as well. Right, step 1, you need to prep your hair. If you've got 4C hair like me, you will need to stretch out your hair either using braid outs, twist outs, or a blow dryer. And you need to apply your conditioner and moisturizer to the hair to seal in that moisture, which I've already done off camera. Step 2, you need to part your hair into small pieces. I usually start from the back and work my way all up to the front. When I have worked out the size that I want, I go ahead and apply Eco Styler gel to the edges just to keep the braids neat, and then I use my rubber band to hold the piece of hair in place. This usually helps with my grip. I wrap the rubber band up to 3 times just to make sure that the hair is properly secured. You can go ahead and do the step 2 till you finish parting your whole head, and then you go to step 3, which I'm about to show you, or you could do the step 2 and then do the step 3 simultaneously as you go. Whichever one you feel comfortable with, it is up to you. Now, step 3, you start braiding your hair. So what I do is I take out a sizable amount of braiding hair. Then I place the braiding hair over my own hair that is wrapped with a rubber band. And then the braiding hair forms 2 legs of the braid initially, and my own hair forms the 3rd leg. And I start braiding as normal. After braiding up to 1 or 2 inches long, I borrow a small amount of braiding hair from one leg of the braiding hair and feed it to my own hair, and I borrow another small amount of braiding hair from the 2nd leg of the braiding hair and feed it to my own hair. This eventually forms the final 3rd leg of the braiding hair, and I continue to braid the hair till I get to the end. Like I said earlier, I'll be doing step 2 and step 3 simultaneously till I get to the front of my head. I'll go ahead and repeat step 3 a couple of times so you can get the hang of what I am doing. Still on step 2 and step 3, when you get to the front, you have to part your hair in the direction in which you like to style or wear your hair. I love to wear my hair in the middle part most of the time, so I am going ahead to part my hair in the middle, and I'm going to repeat step 2 and step 3 till I finish braiding my hair. When you're done braiding your hair, it is time for step 4. Basically, in step 4, you have to seal the braids with hot boiling water. Guys, this step is unavoidable because if you don't do this step, your braids will start unraveling, and that is not what we want. So you get your boiling water ready, your towels ready, and guys, I have to warn you, you have to be extra careful in this step so that you don't burn yourself with boiling water. Please be very careful. The best way to go about this is to work in sections so you're not overwhelmed. You dip your braids in hot water, and then you use the towel to squeeze dry the braids, and you repeat this in small sections till you've sealed all the braids. Step 5 is to lay your edges. Guys, feel free to skip this step if you're not interested in laying your edges, but man, laying your edges takes this style to a whole new level. It is beautiful and it just makes the style come together and make mad sense, if you know what I mean. Step 6, apply your styling mousse and any hair accessories that you have. And finally, step 7, enjoy your braids, girl. Rock it, flaunt it like no man's business. Yes, you've earned it, and it is yours to do with however you please. We have finally come to the end of this video. If you love this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You can ask any questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.